Hello mga friends, magandang araw sa ating lahat. Suzuki Gixxer 150. Naka-FI ito guys, new versions. We are here at the Good Moto Trading Incorporated, located at SC Cortez Avenue, Cambaro, Mandawi City, Cebu. For today's video, gagawa tayo guys ng kanyang specs at ng kanyang price na rin. But anyway, big shout out kay Sir Etelin from Mandawi City, Cebu, Noah's TV from Cebu City, at syempre kay Paula Jane Eclipse from Tacloban City. Big shout out sa inyong lahat mga boss, mat salam. Anyway, ang channel natin is nagbibigay ng basics informations tulad ng specs, features, at ang kanyang price nito. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko guys, at kung sa tingin mo ay swak na swak ito sa'yo, welcome sa Ako na Show TV. I am Inan at your service. And don't forget to like and subscribe at pag-ipindot na rin guys sa kanyang notification bell nito para updated ka sa bagong upload. Like and subscribe is a big help to our Filipino YouTubers like me. Mat salam. Let's talk about sa kanyang dimension and curve mass nito. Ang kanyang length is 2,020 mm. Then ang kanyang width is 800 mm. Then ang kanyang height is 1,035 mm. Wheelbase, meaning between the distance from the center of the front wheels to the center of the rail wheels is 1,335 mm. Ground clearance is 160 mm. Seat height from the driver's seat to ground is 795 mm. Curve mass, meaning bilog na bigat sa motor na ito is 138 kilograms. Engine type, naka 4-stroke ito, air-cooled, single overhead cam. Number of cylinder, 1. Bore stroke, 56.0 mm by 62.9 mm. Displacement, 155cc. Fuel system, naka-fuel injection ito guys or FI. Air cleaner, non-moving ito, fabric element. Starter system, naka-electric starter ito guys. Lubrication system, naka-with sum ito. Clutch type, naka-with multi-plate type ito. Transmission type, 5-speed, constant miss. Gear shape pattern, 1 down, 4 up. Drive chain, naka-LGB ito, R428NOR, 132 links. Front suspension, telescopic coil spring oil dump ito. Rear suspension, swing arm type coil spring oil dump, spring preload. Front fork stroke, 120 mm. Steering angle, 35 degree right and left. Caster angle, 24 degree. Trail, 100 mm. Turning radius, 2.6 meters. Front brake, naka-disc brake ito. Rear brake, naka-disc brake na rin ito guys. Front tire size, 100 by 80, 17 MC, 52P. Naka-tubeless ito. Rear tire size, 140 by 60 R17 MC, 63P. Naka-tubeless na rin ito. Ignition type, naka-electronic ignition ito. Transistorized ignition. Spark plug, NGK CPR7EA-9. Battery, naka 12 volts, 3.0 amperes. Generator, 3-phase generator ito. AC generator. Headlight, position lights, naka-LED na ito guys. Brake light and tail light, naka-LED na rin. Rear turn signal lights at ang kanyang front turn signal lights is naka 12 volts, 10 watts. License plate lights, instrument panel, turn signal light indicator, neutral indicator lights, high beam indicator lights, engine RPM indicator lights, at ang kanyang malfunctions indicator lights is naka LED na ito guys. Fuel tank capacity is 12.0 liters. Engine oil, oil change 850 ml. With filter change 950 ml. Overhaul 1,100 ml. Suzuki Gixxer 150, naka-FI ito guys. New version. Walking around tayo ngayon here at Good Moto Trading Incorporated, located at SC Cortez Avenue, Cambaro, Mandawi City, Cebu. And lastly, ang kanyang cash price is 92,400 pesos. Down payment is 10,900 pesos. Monthly installment for 3 years is 3,827 pesos. Ang channel na ito is nagbibigay ng basics informations tulad ng specs, features, at ang kanyang price nito. At kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko guys, at kung sa tingin mo ay swak na swak ito sa'yo, Welcome sa Ako Na Show TV. I am Inan at your service. Matsalam!